from grade 2 SSC. My science investigatory project is oregano leaves as a cough remedy. These are the materials: a glass, a plate, a spoon, a funnel, a strainer, a hot of water, oregano leaves, and calamansi, and honey. Let's start. Soak the leaves into the hot water for 3 minutes. Extract the leaves to get the juice from it. Oregano contains chemicals that might help reduce cough. Oregano also might help with digestion and with fighting against some bacteria and viruses. People use oregano for wound healing, parasite infection, and many other conditions. Oregano also contains fiber, iron, manganese, vitamins E, calcium, omega, fatty acids, and tryptophan. It has anti-inflammatory properties. A juice from calamansi is an excellent source of vitamin C. Honey and vitamin C strengthens the immune systems. We have now the finished product and ready to drink. Our cough remedy is ready. Thank you so much for watching this.